We're going to make some breakfast here, guys. This is our setup here. Look at our table tailgate. Oh, our fancy Coleman. So where's the egg tanks? The egg is right there.
Mm-hmm. We just gotta get everything.
Mm-hmm.
After we got kind of settled with the fan on, it kind of got cool.
I have the trash back there. Oh, probably. Blueberries.
This little pump thing is handy, dude.
I know, I like it. Blueberry, more? What do we say? Please. Did you even pray? Did you pray for the food? Lord, thank you for this food. Amen. Amen. I put the blueberry here and then it's like smushy now.
Uh-huh. Yeah, because it'd be thawed.
Yeah. Good job. Mommy's getting some too. You got some more.
Should I throw the drone out here?
Oh yeah. I need that footage later. Yeah, because it's an open space. You can actually put it right there.